Hey guys, this is Emmanuel Catana from Smart From Home Realty. I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing, 22 Castlebay Street. This amazing property features 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus a second floor family room and a fully finished basement. I'd love to show this place to you. Come on in, let's take a look. This is the perfect home for any family. Plenty of space for the kids to run around, but with the open concept, you'll always feel close to them. You'll love cooking in this beautiful modern kitchen with family over delicious food. Evenings, weekends, or holidays, this second floor family room is a great place to watch a movie or play a game. After a long day's work, retreat to this cozy bedroom and get a restful night's sleep. Thanks for going on this virtual tour with me. Man, it's cold outside, but can you imagine next summer sunbathing on this massive deck? Call me today to make it yours.